Bienvenidos. Welcome back. As you guys can see from the title, today we are doing our update of Partners in Crime Project Pan. I believe this is update number 7, which I'm pretty sure I am correct on that one. I'm doing really good with the numbering this year. So anything you need to know about this project pan will be down in the description box, you guys. I have my 6 products here. I have some thought process. If you haven't heard, I've only worn makeup about 17 days in July, which is very low for me. So I have progress, but not a ton. I'm trying to play catch up as my projects are getting updated. I have a few days in between to kind of like fill it in, but I just wanted to warn you guys. So anyway, if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, if you're new, hello, hola, Alejandra. I go by Alex, eyeshadow enthusiast with a Dash Project Pan. If that is something you want to continue to see on your feed, subscribe and join us. And now let's get on with this update. Okie dokie, you guys. So let's start out with this palette. I always start out with this palette, and I feel like it'll always be the thing I start out with. So in this palette, I want to hit pan on the shade Diamond, which is the cream shade in this palette. This is the citrus one, the darker version of the Natasha Denona face palettes. I will show you a picture of where I was last month, and this is where we stand now. You guys can see that is a nice dip in there. We got a good crater in there, but it's still not pan. Something tells me I should be hitting pan within the next month or two, which is ideal because, again, this most likely will not suit me once I start to lose my tan. I got an even deeper tan. You can't tell because of all the studio lighting, but I did get even darker than I was the last time you saw me do this update. So it is looking beautiful. I have also used this highlighter all on its own when I did a whole cream face last month, and it is stunning. This shade looks like it wouldn't work, but it has like a sheerness to it that it just looks like a glow within, and it just gives you a nice golden glow. Can you see that? See how it blends in really nicely? And this color of my hand is not the same color as my face, but it still works wonderfully. It's such a beautiful formula. Natasha Denona knows how to do complexion products. So this is staying in. I still have yet to hit pan. Okay, so here is my nail polish. You guys might be able to see, like, there is a line right here from this polish. My goal is to keep it in here until refresh, which is next month. So this is the last month I will have this in this project pan. This weighed 71.57 grams, and it is currently weighing 71.26 grams. I have used it, I believe, twice since the last update to do my toenails. It's trucking along. I did not expect to get a lot of usage out of this. In order for me to finish this polish, I think I would have to do my toes for the rest of the year in this shade to get this done. I just wanted to have one set color. It is currently on my toes. I'm still enjoying it. I'm still loving it. It is still looking beautiful. I do my nails about once a week. I did slack off in July and only did it 3 times versus 4 times the whole month. So that may be why, but looking at it in person, I can see it's no longer filled to the top. It is right down here. So I'm very happy. It's staying in for 1 more month. My shadow stick from Mally. This is this shade Topaz. My goal is to finish this off. Again, you're going to hear me like a broken record in every project pan this month. I didn't use a lot of makeup last month, and I chose to give this product a break. I have worked so hard and so diligent on this product the last 2 months prior to it that I felt like I wanted to concentrate on other things the days that I was wearing makeup. So this weighed 9.47 grams last month, and it is currently weighing 9.4 grams. So I only used 0.07 grams of this. I didn't use that much. This is what it looks like, you guys. I have shared this with you guys over and over. I don't know how much I have left. I couldn't even guess if I wanted to, but I knew it was going to be a slow progress this past month with this one because I wanted to purposely neglect it. I used it maybe like 3 times and not all over the lid, more so for like an eyeliner, as a waterline or lower lash line kind of thing, because I wanted to concentrate on other things. I wanted to give myself a break to not overbear myself with it. But now that we're going back in August, I will be chugging along with this one here. This is here to stay. I have a feeling it'll be here till the end of the year until I finish it off, but that's okay with me. This was a roll-in from last month. This is the Sephora Coconut Lip Balm. I don't know how much I have of this in comparison. When I edit, I will notice the difference, if there is a difference, but here is how this is looking like right now. I have been using this. I have been pretty good at remembering to put this on. This is also competing with the lip balm that I do have in Decapanning, Project Pan, I believe. So that one's almost done. And once I'm done that one, I can concentrate more on this one. This is here until refresh. I only have 1 more month of this in here. I did not want to have this in here long term and expect to finish it off. This is more for me to get more use out of it, to have something at nighttime. I technically don't need a lot of moisture in my lips in the summer. It's more in the winter time. So that's when I really will concentrate on this in the winter time. But for now, it's here for 1 more month, and then we're just going to roll it out and see what the difference is from where I brought it in until then. Okay, our MAC, what is this? Glow Play a blush in So Natural. You guys, I'll show you a picture of where I was last month, and you guys, holy crap. I have actually hit pan on this. Can you guys see that? Now this is very emollient, and you can move it around to cover it, but this is legit pan because I have hit pan already in this earlier in the year, and I was able to recover it up because I was moving the things around. But this one is genuine. Like this one, I've moved it around and I have used that much of product. So I'm very happy where I stand with this one. This one, my goal was to keep it in here until refresh. I only have 1 more month to play around with it. I am also wearing this one just like the Natasha Denona face palette. I'm wearing both of them on my cheeks. I love it. I wore this on its own, again, with the Natasha Denona blush. Beautiful, beautiful, you guys. I will show you guys, look, this is a swatch of it. You can clearly now see, since I have made the bottom of it, you see how it is pigmented? This is the actual shade of it. In the beginning, it doesn't have that much pigment, but now it really does have quite a bit of pigment on it, and I do get a nice, beautiful color payoff from it. So I still love this. I'm still enjoying it. I am going to be sad when it's gone, but then that means I will repurchase this shade, and hopefully by then I should have 1 less blush and I can purchase a 2nd shade of this. But this is definitely my favorite blush formula ever. I really, really love it when it comes to cream or powder or cream or liquid. It's this one all the way. So this is in here for 1 more month. Last product that I had was the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. So we started out when it was full. This was the first update, 2nd update, 3rd update, and now we are officially done. I cannot get any more out of this. This is officially done. You barely hear anything in here. This I actually did not use every single time I did my makeup in the month of July because I knew it was only going to last me for about a week. So I chose which days to wear it, so then I would be able to finish it off to roll it out, but not too early in the panning month situation. I have purchased a new setting spray. Ulta was having minis on sale, and I just went ahead and bit the bullet and bought the Urban Decay All-Nighter. I do love it. I know it has alcohol in it, but I can trust it in the summer, and that's what I needed. I am wearing it today, and I can definitely tell the difference between that and this. I don't wear setting spray all the time, so as long as it's not overbearing, it has never affected my skin, but I know long-term it can. But it was on sale, the mini, so I bought 4 because it was buy 1, get 1 free, and if I bought 4, it costs less than 1 full size, and I still got more in fluid ounces buying them like in 4 minis versus 1 large one and paying more money for it. So I ended up saving money and getting more product in the end. So I ended up getting 4 bottles of it. I don't see them lasting forever, to be honest with you. This one was nice, but I feel like I would like this more in the winter time. It did give me a glow. It didn't keep me matte, but it didn't make me oily either. It set my face nicely, but I don't know. Like, I feel like I could get something else for it. I'm trying to take off the tape. I think I could get something else for it, but it is nice. It is nice. I wouldn't say it's terrible and not worth it. I guess it's like a setting spray for somebody who wants that luxury feel, that luxury brand. It's okay for it. It's not terrible, but it's not my favorite either. So I'm happy that I was able to try it. I thank my friend Lisa for sending it to me because I would have never bought it on my own, but it was nice while it lasted. I would have preferred to use it in the wintertime though. Alrighty, you guys, so that means we get one roll in, and you guys, I need to give myself a give me product. Do not get mad at me. I just need a give me product. I need to get back into the swing of things. This is the last month of the summer, which breaks my heart. You guys know how much I love summer. Yes, I'm one of those few people that don't mind to be sweaty and stinky because I just love to be outdoors and enjoy it. So I'm going to do a gimme product just because I need something that is going to be easy, where I'm not going to torture myself. And next month is a refresh, so I'm waiting for that moment to bring in the stuff for the fall time. So I'm going to roll in this little mini Rare Beauty lip gloss. I got this about 2-3 months ago. I purchased, I got my birthday gift. Yes, my birthday gift was those Huda Beauty palettes, 9-pan palettes, and this was a free gift, like with a coupon. This is in the shade Nearly Neutral. It is pretty. It is so easy, and I don't see myself having an issue using this up. I did put it on today just on top of this lip product, which, you know, whatever. It is what it is. I don't care. But it is nice on its own. It's nice and moisturizing, and I don't see myself having this for a long time. This has 1.4 milliliters, so it has 0.047 ounces, fluid ounces. So I don't see it lasting too long, but I do have other lip products that are also in this project pan and in a different project pan. So I'm going to be alternating, but my goal is to finish this off. So it's brand new. I've only used it like maybe 2-3 times. So that is my goal, and that's what I'm rolling in. Alrighty, folks, that's what I got for you guys. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the information you need to know about this project pan. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.